John, you're a financial planner, and we just talked about what financial planning is. But who is financial planning for?
The bottom line is financial planning should be for everybody. It's basically the process by which you accomplish the things that are most important to you as a family. We all have resources that we have to work with. Financial planning is just taking a deep dive into those resources and how to be efficient and get the outcomes you want. Unfortunately, in our industry, financial planning industry is kind of geared mostly towards the people with significant assets.
Okay, so where do people start if they realize they want to get on the path of financial planning?
Well, again, I think the most important thing that people have got to figure out is what is it that you want to do as a family. I want everybody to be able to think 20 years and 30 years down the road and go, what are the outcomes that you and your partner really deeply desire? And one of the frustrations I think that you and I both have talked about is there's really until recently, there's no system out there that really helps couples take a deep dive into what it is that they want to accomplish as a couple or as a family. And so with this More Than a Budget class that we're offering, we're trying to create an environment where couples can work together, discover some things about themselves and each other, and really start trying to figure out what it is that they both deeply desire to see in their future. But what is important is that you have a strong handle, that you have jointly decided what it is that you want to achieve as a family. And I think we can help you do that. Hi, I'm John. I'm a financial planner.
And I'm Jeff. I'm a licensed marriage and family therapist. And if you like our videos, please like and subscribe on your screen.
And if you want to learn more or take our first class for free, go to relational-media.com to learn more.